In this lesson, we're going to cover an issue that some All Access users have been having when viewing the lessons on the macu.com. So I have Safari open, and I'm logged into the All Access area of the Mac-U. I'm going to bring up the macOS Mojave Core Concepts tutorial. The first lesson is presented front and center, with all the other lessons listed below. Scroll down further for the second section on System Preferences. So this is how the page should look in pretty much any web browser, unless Reader View is activated. Reader View can be turned on and off from up here to the left of the address bar. Activated on this page, and the video is no longer visible. It's replaced by a couple large black dots and a plain lesson list. To get out of Reader View and back to the videos, just click the Reader button again. Reader View is a great feature when viewing web pages that contain a lot of text, but not multiple videos. On this page, switching to Reader View gets rid of all the ads surrounding the article, but not anything that we actually want to see. Learn more about using Reader View and Safari for Mac or iOS in the Safari tutorials available for All Access subscribers. Thanks for watching.